is your home?
Where are
Your home?
what country are you from?
Việt Nam, kuya.
I'm not very good in
No.
English.
kuya.
Many good teachers here, ah.
Yeah, very good na.
Nahirapan ako kay madam. Pero my English is spoken in dollar. The pronunciation is hard to tell.
Where is your home, kuya?
Huh?
Where is your home?
Where you are?
Your home?
Caloocan.
Oh.
You know where's that?
Yeah. I hear already. But I don't just go there.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Oh, this is the way.
And turn right. I turn left here.
Oh,
Oh.
there?
Look already. This one. Close na.
What country are you from?
Việt Nam, kuya.
Viet-
Vietnamese.
Oh, Vietnam.
Yes.
I wanna go there.
Yes, you can go there. So many Sarah food na, and so many wonderful place you can go travel.
I want to ride the bike there.
You want to what?
Ride motorcycle there.
How can?
Oh,
Turn left.
are you studying here?
Yes.
What course? What are you studying here?
Starting here.
Study.
I'm learning English.
English.
Yes, and work part time here.
Oh,
So many person, including Vietnamese, come to Philippines to learn English. So sorry.
many good teachers here, ah.
Yeah, very good na.
Is English not in your subjects in your country?
In my country, English is one subject also, but almost if Vietnamese teach also only. Don't have the foreigner teach that one.
Okay. Here it's our second language.
Yeah.
I'm not very good in
No.
English.
Kuya.
Here?
Yes.
Oh.
No, I hear you are what na? Your English is okay na. It means that you can conversation with another is okay na.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, turn left, kuya.
Left.
Yeah. Turn left also. Turn left.
Turn left again.
Here.
Uh,
The left be here. Yeah. Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
So high na. Ayan.
Hey, your book.
It's okay na.
Thank you. Nahirapan ako kay madam. Hindi yun Amerikano, ha? Pero my English is spoken in dollar. I cannot resist of speaking English. She's studying English and I studied English, but I'm not very good and she's good. But the pronunciation is hard to tell. What? Okay mga to eh. Practice din tayo ng English. Babos.